Hey, this is Dave with theprepperbookshelf.com, and today I've got a book that you might not want to waste your money on, even though it's not a lot of money. But it's one of those books where there was some interesting stuff in it. It's an interesting read, but I really didn't get as much out of it as the catalog kind of led me to think I would. And that is Disguise Techniques from Andrew A. McNall, I guess, and I probably butchered his name. But anyway, it talks a lot about how to blend in with your surroundings, you know, how to make disguises, you know, on the fly, you know. Basically, a lot of this is just theatrical stuff, and I got it because, from what I was told, you know, this guy was an actor who you know, wrote this for the CIA, you know, basically for spies. You know, maybe back in the day. But anyway, interesting read. It was kind of cool, but like I said, I didn't really get a lot of stuff from it. If you want to buy it to have it as a conversation piece, then by all means go for it. But like I said, I probably wouldn't waste the $6. So anyway, until next time, you can always catch us online at theprepperbookshelf.com.